Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to easily swap cryptocurrencies within your Exodus wallet. This built-in feature allows you to exchange one digital asset for another directly, without needing external platforms. It's a straightforward process, designed for convenience, letting you manage your portfolio efficiently. You can swap hundreds of different crypto assets, making it simple to diversify or rebalance your holdings right from your wallet. To begin, simply open your Exodus wallet and locate the swap icon, usually found at the bottom of your screen. Once there, you'll see two main fields. In the top field, select the cryptocurrency you currently hold and wish to swap. Below that, choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Next, input the exact amount you'd like to exchange. You can also use convenient options like minimum, half, or all of your balance. Before finalizing your swap, it's crucial to review the transaction details. You'll see the estimated amount of crypto you will receive, along with any network transaction fees. While Exodus does not charge fees for simply holding or sending assets, swaps involve network fees and a small spread, which are clearly displayed. These fees are paid to the blockchain network and third-party providers. Once satisfied, tap the Swap Now button to confirm and start your exchange. Once confirmed, your swap is in progress. While many swaps complete in under 30 minutes, some may take a few hours, depending on network congestion. It's important not to close your wallet during the initial, starting your swap phase. After completion, your newly acquired cryptocurrency will automatically be deposited into your Exodus wallet. You can always check your swap history within the app for real-time updates and to confirm successful transactions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.